Okay, so let me do the last one and then we'll have a look at the full-on version. So this is where the darker colors will probably pick up nicely. There's some beautiful, rich colors in that Thoughtful Journey one. I'll bring some. I'm not going to do it. I think we've got enough going on here, but I will bring out some of the papers to show you as well. Even just like the B side of a lot of papers, you know how they've got the really, really fine pattern. I think that they would probably be okay in darker colors. Like there's the pear has got a really nice deep green with just a real subtle dot pattern on it. So I think that that would come back. But I would perhaps even come back once this is dry, come back and pop another layer on. I think I had recently re-inked this as well, so that would probably play a part. But I think that's just, yeah, I like it. So, and there's that one. So you can see that this one has started to settle in, but I think it's it'd be nice for a background, pop a big sentiment on there. So there we go with them. I'm just going to pop these aside. The other one that I think would look quite nice is there's some really rich ones like that one there. That would look gorgeous, I reckon. But, you know, this is the type of thing that you could just emboss a whole heap of them up and sit down and play with them. All right, so got our subtle.